Um, Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve some more KCET previous year questions on the chapter conic sections. So any doubts if you have in any steps of the solution, then please write that in the comment section. And in any other chapter of maths, if you feel more difficulty, then please mention the name of that chapter also in the comment section. So that we can give more priority on it and solve more and more questions on that chapter, which shall be helpful for your KCET exam. Also, some important homework questions on every chapter will be uploaded in the Sapience Education application. So please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. So here in the first question, it is told, what is the equation of the locus of a point which moves such that 4 times its distance from the x-axis is the square of its distance from the origin? So equation of locus of a point which moves in such a way that 4 times its distance from the x-axis. So the distance from the x-axis, it is nothing but the y coordinate. 4 times distance, it is 4y is equal to square of its distance from the origin. So x square plus y square. That means I can say it will be x square plus 4 x square plus y square minus 4, and we know that since distance cannot be negative, so I should write mod y. So x square plus y square minus 4 mod y, that will be equal to 0. So option 2 is the correct answer. Then here it is told, the circle this touches the x-axis or the y-axis or none of the axis. So here the equation of the circle is in this form, which is x square plus y square minus 8x plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. So this I can write it as x square minus 8x plus 2 4 is 8, so 4 4 is 16 plus 16 plus y square plus 4y plus 4, that is equal to 16. This we can write it as x minus 4 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square, that will be equal to 4 square. So therefore the center is at 4 comma minus 2 and the radius is 4 units. So here this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, suppose. So the center is at 4 comma minus 2, so it is somewhere here. This is 4 comma minus 2 and the radius is 4 units. So it means that it will touch the y-axis and it will intersect the x-axis. Since the radius is 4 units, so it should pass through the, so it will touch the y-axis at the point 0 comma minus 2. So it will touch only the y-axis. So option 2 is the correct answer. Then here it is told, the value of k such that these two circles cut each other orthogonally. So when two circles cut each other orthogonally, then So when two circles will cut each other orthogonally, then we can say that r1 square plus r2 square, it will be equal to the distance in between their centers. It means r1 square plus r2 square, that will be equal to d square. So now for the first circle, the equation is x square plus kx plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. And for the second circle, it is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 by 2y plus k by 2, that is equal to 0. Now we know that if the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, then the radius is given as square root of g square plus f square minus c, and the center will be given as minus g comma minus f. So here the center c1, that is given as minus k by 2 comma minus 2, and c2, the center, that will be given as 1 comma g comma minus f, so that is 3 by 4. And here the radius r1, that will be given as square root of g square plus f square minus c, and r2 is equal to the square root of g square plus f square minus c, and c1 c2, the distance in between their centers, which is d, that is c1 c2, that will be equal to 1 plus k by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4 plus 2 whole square, 1 plus k by 2 whole square, square square x1 whole square x1 whole square. So the square root of that. So now therefore we have to do r1 square plus r2 square, that is equal to d square. Therefore r1 square will be k square by 4 plus 4 minus 2 plus r2 square, that will be 1 plus 9 by 16 minus k by 2, that will be equal to c1 c2 whole square, which is 1 plus k by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4 plus 2 whole square. So from here we have to find the value of k. So this will be k square by 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 3, plus 9 by 16 minus k by 2, that will be equal to 1 plus 2k, 2 into k by 2, that is k, plus k square by 4, plus this will be 4 to the 8, so it is 11 by 4, so it is 121 by 16. So k square by 4 will get cancelled. This will be k plus k by 2, k plus k by 2, that is 3k by 2, that will be equal to 3 plus 9 by 16 minus 1 minus 121 by 16. So this will be 3k by 2, that is equal to 2 minus, so this will be 112 by 16. So 16 sevens are, okay, so this is 2 minus 7. So 3k by 2, that is equal to minus 5. So k is equal to minus 10 by 3. K is equal to minus 10 by 3. So option 3 is the correct answer. Then in the question number 3, it is told the coaxial system of circles given by this represents c is less than 0, c is negative. So I can say x square plus 2gx, if I write plus g square plus y square. So c is negative, so I can take c on the other side. So that is c square minus c. So this will be x plus g whole square plus y square, that is equal to square root of g square minus c whole square. So therefore here the center is at minus g comma 0, and the radius is square root of g square minus c. So this represents intersecting circles, touching or non-touching circles. It means the radius is slightly more than g. It means the center is at minus g comma 0, so it is on the x-axis, and radius is more than g. So it means that their center will change with g. So if the center changes, that will change, and will be like this. So they can be intersecting circles also. So they are actually non-intersecting. Okay. So here, suppose here is the center. So the center is on the x-axis only. The circle will be like this since radius is more than g. And then if the center is here, then the radius is also again more than this g. Will be again like this. So it means that they are non-intersecting circles. They represent non-intersecting circles. So option 2 is the correct answer. Then the radius of the circle passing through the point the radius of the circle passing through the point 6 comma 2, and two of whose diameters are x plus y equal to 6 and x plus 2y equal to 4 is. So the point of intersection of the diameter is their center. So therefore the center, if we have to find, then we have to solve these two equations. So x plus y equal to 6 and x plus 2y equal to 4. So therefore now if we subtract it, then we will get y equal to minus 2. Y equal to minus 2, then x will be equal to 8. X equal to 8. x equal to 8, y equal to -2. So it means that the center is 8 comma -2. Now it is told that the circle passes through the point 6 comma 2 and its center is 8 comma -2. So then uh, okay. So the radius is how much? The radius is equal to square root of 8 minus 6 whole square plus -2 that is 4 whole square. So that will be equal to square root of 2 square that is 4 plus 16 that is root over 20. So the radius is root over 20. Okay. So option 4 is the correct answer. If 0, 6 and 0, 3 are respectively the vertex and the focus of a parabola, so 0, 6 is the vertex. 0, 6 is the vertex and 0, 3. So let's this be 0, 3 and this is 0, 6. This is the vertex and this is the focus. So it means that the parabola is concave downwards. So and focus of a parabola, then its equation is how much? So we know that if this is the parabola, then its equation is x square equals to 4ay, where the focus is this, where the focus is 0 comma minus a. So now if this is shifted upwards, then it means that here we can shift the origin. The vertex 0, 0 has been shifted to 0, 6. So it means that we should replace y with y minus 6. So therefore it will be x square equal to 4a into y minus 6, and the focus is at 0 comma this length is a units. Now here that length is 3 units, so that will be a will be 3 here, so this will be x square equal to 12 to y minus 6, so this will be x square equal to 12y minus 72. So therefore this will be x square, this will be 0 comma 6 should satisfy the equation. Actually it should be y plus 6 actually. minus minus. So here we can see that in the option A, which is x square plus 12y equal to 72, here 0, 6 is being satisfied. 0, 6 is satisfied here. It is 72. 0, 6 is satisfied here. Okay. So it means that option 1 is the correct answer. Then it is told that for the ellipse 25x square plus 9y square minus 150x minus 90y plus 225 equal to 0, the eccentricity E is how much? So here 25x square minus 150x will be 5. Then this is 5x, so 2 into 5x 10, this is 15. 15 square, that is 225, is 90y. Okay, and this is so plus this is 9y square minus 90y, then plus we need 9 3, so 2 3s are 6, 15 6 are 90, so 15 square, that is 225, that is equal to 225. So it means this we can write, this will be 5x minus 15 whole square plus 3y minus 15 whole square, that is equal to 15 square. Now this we can write it as 5 into or 25 into x minus 3 whole square plus this is 9 into y minus 5 whole square, that is equal to 15 square. This 225 I can write. So therefore this we can write x minus 3 whole square divided by 25 by 225 plus 9 into y minus 5 whole square divided by 225, that is equal to 1. So therefore this we can write, so 25 9s are 125, 9 25s are 125, so then x minus 3 whole square by 9 plus y minus 5 whole square by 25, that will be equal to 1. A square equal to 9, so a will be equal to 3, then b square equal to 25, so b will be equal to 5. So now the eccentricity, that is eccentricity of the ellipse, that is given as square root of 1 minus b square by a square. So this will be square root of 1 minus 20, 1 minus this will be, so this is a vertical ellipse, so this will be a square by b square. B, a is more than b, so this will be a square, this will be b square, so b is 3 and a is 5, so this will be b square by a square. So this will be 1 minus 9 by 25. So this is square root of 16 by 25, which is 4 by 5. So option 3 is the correct answer. Then if the foci of the ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by b square, that is equal to 1, and the hyperbola, that is x square by 144 minus y square by 81, that is equal to 1 by 25, coincide with the value of b square is, right, then the value of b square is, if the foci of the ellipse is this and the hyperbola this they coincide, so the foci of this ellipse and the foci of this hyperbola will coincide. So the foci of this ellipse is minus AE plus minus AE comma 0, and that will be also equal to, for this AE actually, so A1 into E1, that will be equal to A2 into E2. So here A is equal to 4, which is square root of 16. Here A square is 16 and A is obviously more than B, and here A square is 144. No, sorry, this we can write 25, I can take it here. So x square by 144 by 25 minus y square by 81 by 25, that is equal to 1, I can write. So here A is 1 square root of 144 by 25, so that will be 12 by 5, and B will be equal to square root of 81 by 25, that is equal to 9 by 5, equal to 9 by 5. Okay. So E will be equal to, so E1, that will be equal to square root of 1 minus b square by a square, and E2 is square root of 1 minus b square by a square. So that is 81 by 144. Square by a square. So this will be 1 plus b square by a square, 1 minus b square by a square. So therefore now A1 is 4 and A2 is 12 by 5. So A1, so 4 into square root of 1 minus b square by 16, that is equal to 5 into, sorry, 12 by 5 into 12 by 5 into E2. E2 is square root of 1 plus 81 by 144. So therefore 4 3s are 12. So therefore I can say this will be square root of 1 minus b square by 16, that is equal to 3 by 5 into square root of 1 plus 81 by 144. So therefore 1 minus b square by 16, that will be equal to 9 by 25 into 1 plus, so 144 plus 81, that will be equal to 5, 12, 325, 325 by 144. So this will be equal to 5 5 is 125, 5 6 is 30, 5 5 is 25, 5 13 is 65, then 9 1s are 9, 6 9s are 54. Therefore 1 minus b square by 16, that is equal to 13 by 16. So therefore 16 minus b square by 16, that will be equal to 13 by 16. So that is equal to 3. So b is equal to root 3. So b square equal to 3. One minus b square by 16, that is equal to 3 by 5, 9 by 25 into this is 44. So 12. So this is, sorry, this will be 225. There is something wrong here. So it will be 9 by 25 into 225 by 144. So 225. So 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 45. Okay. Then 9 1s are 9. It was 6 9s are 54. So therefore 1 minus b square by 16 equals to 9 by 16. So therefore 16 minus b square, 16 minus b square by 16, that is equal to 9 by 16. So therefore b square equals to 16 minus 9, that is equal to 7. So therefore the value of b square is 7. So option 2 is the correct answer. So hope you have understood the solutions of these questions. So in the second part of this chapter, we shall, means in the 8th part of this chapter on conic sections, we shall solve from the next question onwards. And if still any doubts if you have, then please write that in the comments section. And please install our Sapience education application, where we shall upload some important homework questions based on the previous year KCET exam. So thank you everyone. Bye.